Hi, this is Jeff from the IT department, here to talk to you today about the Polycom VVX 500, one of two phones that the IT department will be deploying over the summer of 2013. For more information about this phone, you can go to our website. The address is eou.edu/it/phone. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to show you how to do is to place or answer a phone call. So obviously the easiest thing to do is to pick up the receiver, dial a number, then hit the green button, and of course you hit this end call if you want to end it or just hang up. The other way, if you want to use speakerphone, is to hit the speakerphone button, hit the green button to dial, and of course end call to end it. And just so you know, 5-digit dialing will still work with campus, but any number that's off campus, you don't have to dial 9 anymore. For any long distance, you have to dial 9+1. Just dial the area code and the number, and then it'll dial out. And just to let you know that all long distance within the continental United States is free. That's the 48 mainland states with the exception of Hawaii and Alaska. So international call rates would still apply. So the next thing I'm going to show you is voicemail. And as you can see from the light over here, we have a voicemail message. So the easiest way to get your voicemail is you can hit this little button on the touch pad, and it shows that we have one new message and no old messages, and you can just click on the new message or connect. You can also hit this home directory, go to messages, and then message center, and then click on that and hit connect. Or you can dial *99.
Password.
And the default password is 0000, but we recommend that you change it as soon as you can.
You have one new message. Press 1 for new messages. Press 2 first message.
Hey, just seeing if you're ready for that meeting. Bye.
Press 3 for advanced options. Press 5 to repeat the current message. Press 7 to delete this message. Press 8 to forward the message to another user. Or 9 to save this message. Press star for help or pound to exit.
So we're going to go ahead and delete the message.
Message deleted. No more messages.
And just so you know, you can change your own voicemail password. We recommend that you do it as soon as the phones become active. Later on in the video, I'll show you a voicemail map. Basically, it's something you can download from our website to show you where you can change your passwords at. And just another feature that we have available now is that you will now receive an email with any voicemail message that's left on your phone. Basically, it'll include a audio file attachment or a WAV file that you can just click on your computer and listen to it if you're at home or away from your desk. And that way you can stay connected with the office if you want, or be able to get your voicemail messages if you're at home. The next thing I'm going to show you is our directories, and we have 3 different directories that you can access. The first one, if you're on a computer, you can go to eou.edu/directories, and then just click on the online directory, and you can search first and last name or departments for people if you want. The other 2 ways are on the phones themselves. Now the first way I'm going to show you is our if you dial *11, it'll take you to the directory and follow the voice prompts.
Welcome to the directory. Please enter your party's first or last name using your touchtone keypad. Use the 7 key for Q and the 9 key for Z.
So my last name's Carmen, so we're going to search for me. So CARMAN.
Jeff Carmen.
Extension 23293. If this is the person you are looking for, press 1 now.
And then it automatically dials the number for you. Now the other way that you can use the directory is you can use the touchpad. So you can pick up the receiver, you can click on the directory button, and you can scroll and select the person that you want and dial that way. Or you can hit this home button and then click directories and then scroll that way. Now when all of campus's phone numbers will be in here, everyone will be in here. So an easier way to use this is to click the search and then type in their name. So we'll just do mine. and click search, and then it'll give you a party. Click on it, and then you're calling them. So the next thing I'm going to show you how to do is to transfer a phone call. So we have a phone call right now from Chuck, and we're going to transfer this to Brian Pearson. So what you need to do is hit the transfer button on your touchpad, dial the number that you want to transfer it to. So call that. Now it's going to call the party right now. You can stay on the line and explain to the party what you need, or you can just transfer the call, but that's how you do it. So the next thing I'm going to show you how to do is to just set up a conference call with your phone. As you can see, I'm on the phone with Chuck right now, and we're going to conference in another person. So we're going to hit the conference button here. We're going to dial the number that we want to conference to. And when he answers, we're just going to go ahead and hit the conference button, and then you'll see that both parties are on the line with you. Now you can have up to 3 parties. That includes yourself. So it'll be this phone and the 2 other parties. And whenever you're done with the conference call, you just hit end calls. The next thing I'm going to show you how to do is to use the redial function. And there's a couple of ways you can do that. First one is you can hit that little clock looking button there on your touchpad, and you can scroll through your recent callers. And the other way is to hit the home button, click on directories, and then go to recent within your directories, and this just shows the last few calls. So if you called someone about 3 times ago, you know, with the old phones you couldn't do it, now you can. Click on that, and we're calling the person that we need to call. The last thing I'm going to show you how to do is a feature called Do Not Disturb. Basically, this feature just means if you want to, if you're in the middle of a meeting or you need to get some work done, you can turn off the ringer on your phone and place all calls to your voicemail. How to set that up is to go to the home button, select settings, then go to features. You can either hit 3 on your touchpad or hit it on your touchpad. Excuse me. Select Do Not Disturb and then click Enabled. And now anyone who calls us, they'll go to voicemail. And to take that off, you just repeat the steps. And then we're going to disable it. And as you might have heard in the tutorials, you'll notice that I mentioned a voicemail map. This is just a picture of that map. You can download this on our website. And our address again is eou.edu/it/phone. You can also shoot us an email or give us a call. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.